This year feels special. It feels like the year for me to really let go of the physical items that are not serving me, the behaviors that are no longer serving me, and to make peace with the fact that I can't control anything. Instead, I'm choosing to focus on my breathing when I feel the need to make something happen, instead of just letting life run its course and seeing where it leads me. I'm going to focus on being more grounded in my emotions and realizing that my emotions do not own me. I can notice them, address them, and then simply let them go. I want to simplify my life and focus on being present, not getting lost on social media for hours, but instead, I want to read or write or just simply be in the present moment.
All right, my sweet friend, let's begin seated. Inhale. Exhale, close your eyes.
At the end of every day, I just want to be able to say that I did my best. Today was day 88 of yoga in the morning and meditation.
And that's it, folks. I normally do that for 1 minute. It's just alternate breathing between my nostrils, which helps reduce anxiety and just calm the body down.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I think I'm just going to take you guys along with me throughout the day and kind of show you guys what we're doing today on the first of the year. I have decided that I'm going to take Luna on a bike ride and we're just going to go around the neighborhood and enjoy how beautiful this day is. So you guys want to come with me? Let's go. Luna, you want to go on a bike ride? You want to go? Let's go. Well, my camera glitched and completely froze up on me. So I just got it working again. Hey, come here. So we're kind of stopped at the corner of a neighborhood right now. And I'm a decent little ways from home, so I took that extra road that I was like, I'm just gonna do it, what the hey. So I had to stop and catch my breath to be able to make it back home. Don't worry, I found my way back home with no problems. I realized where I was and it was all good. One thing I really love about this neighborhood is the fact that it's quite peaceful. Yes, people are out walking, riding their skateboards and all of that, but overall, I really look forward to coming out here and riding my bike or walking. And just like that, we've made it back home. Folks, I just rode roughly about 4 or 5 miles, and honestly, I'm tired. I'm very tired. I haven't even taken my backpack off yet. All I know is Happy New Year, and I hope you guys are enjoying the weather today, considering yesterday it was so rainy and nasty and you really couldn't go anywhere or do very much. But yeah, I hope y'all have a Happy New Year. We decided to make this lovely rack of ribs for dinner, but we had to go ahead and start smoking them now so they'd be ready by dinner time. Shout out to Jonathan's brother Jeff for this rack of ribs. The dogs know they want this rack of ribs, but they can't have it. We're about to put it in the smoker, y'all. We have to run to Publix really quick to pick up some milk because I can't make coffee in the morning without it. You ready? Let's go, little girl.
Look ahead, the sea is calm. I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come.
I gotta run inside really quick to grab something. I'll be right back.
I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we
Okay, go back. Yep. Thanks, you guys, for watching her.
getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore.
Here while Mama runs into the store very fast.
We all know where we belong.
You give me a high five? Good girl. I know you're gonna be good, okay?
Wait for our
Alright, sweet girl. Mommy's gonna be right back, okay?
we'll be there. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight.
Y'all, I got way more than just the milk that I needed. So yes, I got a dozen Krispy Kreme donuts, regular glaze and chocolate glaze. Then are you ready to go home and go to the park? You wanna go to the park? We're gonna go play, okay?
We're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
Alright, we made it home. You ready? Gotta get the rest of the stuff out of the car. Come on, let's go. Thank you, I needed help. I bought more things than just milk, if you can't tell. These are the best garlic knots in the entire world. From a place called La Pizzeria in Mount Pleasant. Go there if you come to visit.
I gotta give you guys an update on the rack of ribs. Sprinkling more brown sugar?
Yeah.
That's gonna be delicious. Are you guys ready to go to the park? You guys ready to go to the park and play? Y'all know we're taking Daddy's car. Oh, come here, come here, come here. Okay, you're all ready. Ready? Time to go to the park. Hey, that was great. Wow. Okay, come there. We'll pick you up because you're so short. All right. Let's go. Time to go home, folks.
I had been driving for so long now that I forgot what I was leaving.